Hi guys, and welcome back to another Wannalesson. My name is Daisy Greener, in case you don't know me, and I'm going to be your English teacher. Roll intro. Today we have part 2 of our spring-themed Wannalesson. Make sure you check out part 1 of our Wannalesson, where we speak about very common spring sayings and expressions. I will link that video above and below in the description for you to check out. Just like we mentioned in part 1 of our Wannalesson, it's extremely important to know how to speak about spring when it finally arrives. Knowing how to speak about current moments in time or seasons is very useful and will give your English a super good boost. So I hope you're ready for today's Wannalesson. Before we start, I would love it if you joined our little family. We are growing little by little, and you can join us by clicking the subscribe button down below so you don't miss a single video. Plus, if you hit the bell icon, you will be notified so you can be first to watch our new Wannalessons. Also, if this video helped you out, make sure to leave me a like because it helps me know if you enjoyed it. Okay, so now we're ready to start with our spring vocabulary. So we're going to start off with 3 words related to weather. The first word related to weather is shower. So a shower is a short burst of rain. So normally when it rains for quite some time, but when we mention a shower, we're referring to a very short period of rain. So maybe when it rains for 5 minutes, this would be a shower or a shower of rain.
Sky above, come undone, shower rain on everyone.
Next we have the word drizzle. So drizzle is also a type of rain, and drizzle is very light rain in fine drops. So the kind of rain we have in England all the time.
Well, it's officially raining.
Just a drizzle.
Next we have the word puddle or puddles in plural. A puddle is when a hole or a dip fills with water after rain, and kids love to jump in puddles and splash water everywhere. Another very common thing in England, to have a lot of puddles because of all the rain, the showers and the drizzle.
Oh, foot in the puddle, foot all in the...
So next we're going to focus on some nature-related vocabulary, and first we have the word blossom. So this can be a noun or a verb, but used as a noun, it refers to the small flowers that appear on trees and plants when spring arrives.
In Japan, the arrival of the cherry blossom.
Next, we have the word nest, and this is what a bird makes to lay its eggs and start its family. We see a lot of nests around in spring because it's when nature really comes alive.
Come, look at this 2-dimensional bird's nest.
Next, we have flowers. Of course, spring always makes us think of flowers.
Flowers.
Then we have grass. It's very common to have grass in our gardens in England, and grass definitely thrives on all of the rain, the drizzle and the showers. Do you like grass, or do you have grass in your garden? Let me know in the comments.
Why is grass green?
Next we have bee. So bees are very important insects that pollinate flowers and let us have the beautiful springs that we truly enjoy. So make sure you always look after any bees that you find. Then we have bunny, and bunny is another word for rabbit, okay? A bunny is normally a smaller, cuter rabbit, and it's extremely associated with spring and Easter.
Probably didn't know, but a bunny can call another bunny cute.
And lastly, we have bird. So of course, it's very common to hear all of the birds chirping and singing during spring because, like we said, nature truly comes alive.
The sun is shining, birds are singing.
Now we have a few adjectives that we can use to describe the springtime. We have fresh. So we can describe spring as fresh because of the newness and the change in weather that is associated with spring.
I felt it was time for a fresh start.
We can also describe spring as hopeful because of the change in season and the feeling of a new start.
It's easy to feel hopeful on a beautiful day like today.
And then we have the adjective positive. I think because of the change in weather, days get longer, evenings are cooler, and it definitely makes us feel extremely positive.
Positive, positive, positive. Up.
And that's it for our common spring vocabulary, so I hope you found it super useful. If you want to practice some spring-themed vocabulary along with so much more vocabulary, you need to get our free Wannalisn app. An incredible app that enables you to learn English while having fun. You can learn English through tiny clips from your favorite movies, series, and songs. The perfect way to learn English in context and spoken in a real way. Wannalisn helps to measure your comprehension skills, your spelling skills, and your listening skills with lots of fun interactive exercises along the way. You can try our free app by clicking on the link in the description or by simply typing Wannalisn in the search bar of your app store. So that's it from me today. I really hope that you enjoyed today's Wannalesson, and if you did, you can hit the like button down below because that lets me know what you thought. Of course, if you haven't already, consider subscribing so you don't miss a single Wannalesson. So have a great day, have a lovely spring, and I will see you next week for some phrasal verbs. Bye!